The US, the UK, and other NATO allies are aiming to help Ukraine in rebuilding its navy. In addition to sending 4 second-hand Island-class patrol boats, the US approved the sale of up to 16 Mk6 patrol boats to provide the country a Mosquito fleet. The UK is currently supplying Ukraine with 2 Sandown-class minehunters, which are being outfitted, and Babcock is building 8 missile boats. There is also planned construction of Type 31 frigates, but the project's details remain unclear. The French Ossia shipyard is currently building 20 Ossia FPB-98 MKI for Ukraine. In December 2021, Ukraine and Denmark signed an MOU for Danish ship design and technology. The Turkish RMK Marine shipyard is building an Ada-class corvette for Ukraine, with the first of maybe 2 corvettes planned to enter service in 2023. The Ukrainian Navy will obtain ASW capability after delivery, though at a low level. British shipbuilder Babcock will build small combatants for the Ukrainian Navy in accordance with the UK's Ukrainian Naval Capabilities Enhancement Program, while the initial report suggested that the design of these ships would be similar to Barzan-class missile boats. The Protector-class patrol vessel has an 85-meter length and a displacement of 1,900 tons. The P-50 U-boats are expected to be a 50-meter version of a similar design, displacing roughly 500 tons. Specifications of the new vessel class, such as its exact dimensions, weapons, sensors, and propulsion systems, have yet to be disclosed publicly.